Hi there. Flying cars are an old dream of many futurists because what could be more beautiful than soaring into the sky on a winged horse? Throughout history, man has sought to conquer the sky. The first controlled flight was made on a hang glider in the 9th century. Since that time, a huge number of flying machines have been created. And today, we will tell you about the most incredible flying cars. The Slovak company Aeromobile developed the Aeromobile 3.0 aircraft, which can be launched into mass production as early as 2020. The novelty was presented in Austria at the Pioneers Festival. There, the car plane made the first trip flight. As for the company itself, the Slovaks started producing hybrids of airplanes and cars 20 years ago, making the first Aeromobile 1.0. After that, versions 2.0 appeared in 2010 and 2.5 in 2013. The advantage of the updated version is that the car airplane became smaller and quietly fit in the garage. This version is more like a car than previous versions. The principle of folding carbon wings was implemented in the car. That is how the plane turns into a car. The prototype is designed for only 2 people. As far as the motor is concerned, it has a capacity of 100 horsepower. The maximum speed of the Aeromobile 3.0 on the road is 99 miles per hour. In flight, the car can reach 124 miles per hour. The maximum flight range in this case is 435 miles. Takeoff occurs at a speed of at least 80 miles per hour. It takes an 820-foot straight road for the airplane to take off and 165 feet for landing. TFX from the American company Terrafugia is a real transformer with an electric motor. Like a quadcopter, it vertically rises and falls to the ground. Traction is provided by 2 hybrid electric engines with a total power of 670 horsepower. TFX can accommodate up to 3 people. Its maximum speed in flight is 200 miles per hour, and its cruising range is about 500 miles. Although the truth is, we will not see the TFX in the air anytime soon. The serial production of the hybrid will begin only in about 3 to 10 years, but the first flying samples will come out a little earlier. Moeller Skycar M400. It's a hybrid racing car with a spaceship. Like a jet plane, it is able to take off and float in the air at a speed of up to 370 miles per hour, as well as vertically landing and practically on any surface. So, no traffic jams and red lights, as you will no longer have to worry about traffic lights. True, the management of this vehicle is better entrusted to an experienced pilot, because instead of the steering wheel, the M400 has 2 levers. In appearance, the Skycar resembles the futuristic look of a Star Wars aircraft. According to the developers, it is necessary to feed such a winged horse with alcohol or kerosene. Maximum speed of the Moeller Skycar M400 is 331 miles per hour and a maximum range of up to 800 miles. PAL V1. This is a 3-wheeled drop-shaped capsule with a pair of folding propellers, a tail, and 2 seats. The main elements of the design of the car helicopter are made of light carbon, aluminum, and titanium. The flying car has only 2 seats in the cabin. It is also equipped with accelerating and carrying, which allows the flying car to do so without wings. On the ground, this light 3-wheeled car behaves well with enviable maneuverability. Due to its small size, it can park in very tight spaces and overcomes traffic jams with ease of a motorcycle. The PAL V1 has a 218 horsepower gasoline engine that accelerates the car to a speed of 60 miles per hour in less than 8 seconds, and the highest speed that this flying car can reach is about 110 miles per hour. The weight of the flying car PAL V is 1,500 pounds, but when flying it can carry up to 500 pounds of cargo. Depending on the weight, this car can fly from 220 to 315 miles. The fuel tank capacity is 26.5 gallons. In addition to gasoline in the engine of this flying car, biodiesel and even bioethanol can be used. The estimated price will be about $400,000. Parajet Skycar is another hybrid of ground and air transport. Only this time, the creators decided to cross a dune buggy with an exotic type of aircraft, the Paratrike. The design of such a flying car is compact and light. Outwardly, it looks like a buggy with big wheels. A powerful propeller and sectional rectangular parachute allow it to rise into the sky. On this flying car, you can get off the ground in just about 3 minutes and right off the track. The Parajet Skycar engine has 125 horsepower, which allows it to accelerate to 115 miles per hour, and it runs on biofuels. The maximum speed in the sky is about 55 miles per hour. Despite the fact that this car can climb to a height of 2,000 to 3,000 feet, it is not suitable as a city vehicle. Problematic is not only takeoff, but also landing. Such a flying buggy is worth about $119,000. Carplane. In 2015, the German company Carplane presented a two-fuselage flying car. It has folding wings that retract into the space between the cabins, which excludes the emergence of lift at high speeds. This is an early prototype, the wings of which are removed and set manually. But on the next version of the car will appear the mechanism of automatic folding and unfolding of the wings. The necessary device has already been designed. With additional tests, it will increase the mass of the flying machine. It now weighs 1,650 pounds. Then, after upgrading the mass, it will be 1,750 pounds. The flying car is equipped with a 151-strong two-cylinder turbo engine of 850 cubic centimeters running on unleaded gas. The power unit is paired with a special 7-speed transmission, 5 gears which are designed to drive, 4 front and 1 rear. The 6th transmits torque to the propeller in flight, and 7th gear is used for simultaneous rotation of both the propeller and wheels for quick takeoff. It takes a total of 260 feet of runway. The same distance is required for landing and coming to a full stop. Flight speed is 125 miles per hour. On the ground, the car has a speed of 109 miles per hour. The size of the model does not exceed the size of a double compact car. EHang 184. This mega drone with a carbon fiber body drives not only 1, but 8 electric motors at once. Each motor develops a power of just over 13 kilowatts and rotates its own propeller. The total force of the electric motors allows it to lift the 440-pound unit into the air at a height of more than 2 miles, although the flight time is very limited. In all, the pilot has only 23 minutes, including the time to take off and land. EHang 184 has a manual control. The route is set by the passenger using the tablet. The onboard computer automatically calculates the optimal flight route, taking into account the weather report, the workload of the airspace, and the supply of electricity in the batteries. If something threatens flight safety, the quadcopter simply will not rise into the air. Security is also monitored by the EHang Common Flight Control Network, and in the event of an emergency, the control will be transferred to the system operator. The minimum battery charging time is 2 hours, and this is also an accelerated mode that can quickly finish off the battery. But in normal mode, charging time will take at least 4 hours. The result is that for every 23-minute a mega drone spin in the air, it will be on the ground for up to 4 hours, which will automatically make flights on such devices insanely expensive. Another flying buggy, the Maverick flying car. The principle of flight is the same as that of the Parajet Skycar, but outwardly, the Maverick looks much less spectacular. However, the undoubted advantage of this flying buggy is an increased level of comfort and safety. The developer of Maverick tried to bring its appearance as close as possible to the look of a retro car. While in motion, the apparatus is powered by a 2.5-liter Subaru engine with a capacity of 190 horsepower. On the road, the buggy can accelerate to 100 miles per hour. With a full tank of gas, the Maverick can travel over 435 miles. The maximum speed in the air is 40 miles per hour, and the Aero buggy costs $94,000. And this vehicle is almost an antique. Tests were held in 1989, bringing the first fame of the company Moeller. This flying vehicle can accommodate a driver and 1 passenger. The diameter of the flying saucer is only 10 feet, and the height is 3.2 feet altogether. The maximum speed of this miracle machine is 100 miles per hour, and the fuel is enough for 1 hour of flight. Despite the fact it consumes an incredible amount of fuel, it is unreliable and flammable, but it still flies. The true height on which the plate is able to climb is only 10 feet. A prototype of this car was made a couple of years ago, and you could buy it on eBay for $15,000. That's all for today. Write in the comments which flying car impressed you the most. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.